Yo, what's cracking, guys? My name is Texter, and welcome to what will be a series of videos where I will be testing out a few Windows operating systems, going back in time, reminiscing, discovering some operating systems that I've not really used that much, and seeing how good or bad they are. So I think we're going to take the piss a little bit. So, first up, in today's video, we are not really going to be going far back too much. We're just going to be going back to Windows 10. Obviously, everyone reads through the terms and conditions, as always. Yeah. Okay, we're doing custom because we've never installed it before in here. We're doing that. Boom. And then comes the boring part where you've got to wait. This should hopefully on this machine take about 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause this and come back, time travel in the future and all that stuff. So lovely.
A little later.
And there we go. Boom. Nice and quick. So, right, let's pick our language, pick our keyboard. Again, we're in the UK. No, I don't want to type gibberish. This is always the really annoying bit. You get a computer, you just want to go straight in, you want to use it. And then it's just like, oh yeah, do you want this? Do you want this? Do you want this? Do you want this? No, I just want to use the computer, man. Like, come on, just get me in. I do not advise that you have your password as password for obvious reasons. Yeah, sure, why not? You steal my data anyway. Yeah, no, just either. I just want to get to the desktop, please. Thank you. What I don't get is that a lot of systems that came out of Windows 10, like a lot of cheap systems, their boot drive was literally 32 gig, right? And after Windows is installed, you're left with 9 gig left. What am I going to do with 9 gig? Yeah, like what am I going to do? Like if I do, literally, I bet you if I do a Windows update now, it will start moaning, going, sorry, I've not got enough storage to update, so... So we've got to type in our super secure password, obviously. And then once we're logged in, we are ready to have a bit of a poke around. Alarms and clocks, does what it says on the tin. What about the other ones? That was quite nice. They're very mellow. Yeah. Groove music. Remember when this was a thing? Groove is just about ready. Getting the groove on. Alright, doing that again. Right, what else we got? Paint 3D. Yeah, let's create something new. Right, okay, so this is where my artistic skills come to life. So we'll paint. Oh, that's a bit much. We don't want to bland people. You can tell by this that art wasn't really my go-to. Just yeah. You can add a 3D shape, such as. Why didn't I just do that before? I created a really, really bad. Nope, don't know what it is. How much RAM are we using? Just out of consideration. We are using 1.5 gig. And literally there is nothing happening. This is idle. It's about as idle as you can get. Steps record. You see that this is something I've never really done. Okay. I'm assuming this is some kind of automate thing. So recording. So that. Stop record. Can't say I've ever used it, but I can see other use for it. Okay, so that's quite good. That's quite good. What else have we got that I've never really touched, like ever? A character map. Oh, okay. So yeah, you could just find a specific character. Let's see. What's the weirdest that we can come across? Aha! Here we go. Right, webdings. We do like some webdings. Right. What we got here? We got Spider-Man. Is that fucking robber? No, it's pirate trophy. What the heck? This is like before emojis were a thing. I mean, look. I have no idea where you'd use any of these unless you were drunk or high. And I've also discovered that I was really close to my screen then. I didn't really need to be. Right, okay. Ease of access. Remember when you used to like piss people off with the magnifier? So because you'd like it'd be okay on 200%. You'd be like, yeah, I can cope with this. And then some idiot would decide, oh yeah, let's just put it on flipping 1600%, so that you can see the shadow of a dash. Why would I need that? I mean, look at how text is. It's not just black. It's black, blue, yellow, and a bit of orange. Why do I need to know that? Zooming on the Windows logo, right? Look, like I'm literally seeing per pixel. What the heck's going on? I mean, that's a good icon, right? What the heck's that? Just looks like a grey blob. It looks like a handbag from here, to be quite honest. But hey, oh okay, right, okay.
Microsoft Edge.
Yeah, but what was the cool voice? Oh, here we go. Yeah, right, lovely. We're into the interesting stuff here. Microsoft David, Microsoft Zara.
Desktop 1.
Sounds right. And Microsoft Mark.
Microsoft Edge.
He sounds upbeat, don't he? Microsoft Edge. You know what we gotta do, don't you? We've just gotta go. See which one sounds the best. Might as well. It's not really quite how I wanted that to be pronounced. I'm assuming they're all gonna be the same. Or maybe not. That was better. That's what you want it to sound like a scream. Okay. What about it? Microsoft Zero. Doesn't sound great, does it? Let's make it just really fast. See what happens. Sounds like a robot getting electrocuted. Right. So, what about? Did I even put that on fast? I didn't put that on fast. Nice. I don't know what's going on. Okay, and then the last one. I'm slightly scared for my ears here. It's like a flipping chain gun. That was flipping heck. Wow. Okay. Yeah. That's enough magnifier in the right, because that was a bit. Yeah. Right. Okay. That's a bit weird. Quite honest. We're on 8.4. I don't even know what I've done. That was on 9.1. So what's happened? You get a lot of people complain about Windows 10, not Windows 10, Windows 11, because they don't like the UI and everything. But I like it. But to be fair, I'm quite open-minded with how a computer's used. So, if I wanted a computer to be used simply by command line, I could simply do it by command line. It's really not an issue to me, to be honest. Okay. Right, okay. Well, I think that's the first video done. It was a bit of a really weird way that it went. But yeah, that is a quick look at Windows 10, how to also get it in a virtual machine, and some of my thoughts on it, which were a little bit random. But yeah, I'm going to be doing more videos on this. The next video will be Windows 8/8.1. So that's going to be fun, because that was all tablety. I'm not on a tablet, so we'll see how well that goes. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, wow, I've got to shut the thing down. Shut down.